welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I have a Stitch Fix unboxing. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you'd like to, I'll leave a referral link down below in the description box. You can get $25 for your first box. We're gonna open her up with our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here we go. I still have not gone on my trip. I think this is the last box. I leave in 1 week. Obviously I'm back when this is posted. And I had a great time. I assume I had a great time. Anyway, this is the last box before my trip, and I think there's some trippy things in here. You get it. Mailer to send back the things you don't want to keep. Style note and invoice in the little envelope. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. I have to pack today. I have to go to Target. I have to go to Marshall's. I have to pack. Hi Rachel, Caitlin here again. Happy Fix Day. Can you believe spring is already here? It was finally like a nice spring day yesterday. I hope you're ready for the rising temperatures and excited to go on your trip and enjoy some sun. Am I short today? Is this like weird? Hang on, real time. Oh, it's weird. Hey, real time, real time. Does that feel better? You can see the bag over here. But you know what? That's real life. It's real life. Here it is. Anyway, I'm sending some amazing staples that you can transition easily into warmer weather. I hope this fix helps you find some great must-haves and brightens your day. Denim shorts are a closet staple because you can wear them day and night and dress them up or down. They look super cute with the black button-down top and light sandals from your last fix. The romper is super cute to throw on while relaxing in your hotel room, or you can even use it as a cover-up for your bathing suit. For a fun, bright look, style the orange pants with the olive green top. Oh, that would be a bright look. I hope you have a wonderful beach trip, and I look forward to hearing how it goes. Talk soon, Caitlin. Thank you, Caitlin. So it has all the little pictures on there of ways to style the items in your box. Okay, here we go. We're holding up the bundle. Oh, look at that cute little bundle. Super cute. All right, it's kind of a smaller bundle, so let's just get into it. It's compact. First up, I think I picked 4 things from my fix preview. First up, we had the Marine Layer Lexi Rib button top in black, size large. I just thought it was a nice staple piece. I know it's not super summery, but I thought it was a nice kind of, you know, basic piece. I've been liking the V-necks lately, and I just thought it was nice. Next up, we have the A While Lounge Elastic Waist Romper in light blue, size XL. It's kind of like a sky. You can't really see, it looks really blown out, but it might be too big. We'll see. Does it have pockets? It has pockets. It has pockets. It has a nice elastic waist, little tie, pockets. I like a romper. And we have this one, which I thought was really cute. It reminds me of one I kept in my Wantable. Was it Wantable? Yeah. It's Lush Lunella Flutter Sleeve Top in olive. Look how cute that is. It's got fake buttons, so it's not going to come apart. Super cute. And we have 2 pairs of shorts. We have the Market & Spruce Jolene Mid-Rise Pull-On Short in burnt orange. It has pockets in the front, pockets in the back. It's elastic waist. They do look a little short. And then we have the 151 Veda Cuffed Patch Pocket Short in blue, size 14. So we'll see how those fit. They're cuffed. They should stay cuffed. Are they sewn cuffed? No. So that's the one thing that if they're say they're a cuffed pant, I feel like they should be sewn cuffed, you know, so they don't uncuff in the wash or just wearing them or whatever. But they're cute. They're cute. They have like a little cute pattern on the inside right there. All right. Okay. Let's try things on. First up is the shirt and the shorts. So yeah, even as I was putting these on, the cuff like rolled down like that. So I think if I were to keep these, I would just put like a little stitch in the sides right here where the seams are. So they will stay cuffed. And here's the black shirt. It's very stretchy. I like it. I think I remember how much the shirt is though, so I don't know. I wanted to try it. It's really cute. I like the buttons. It is real buttons. Israel buttons. But you can tuck it in. I don't really feel it. I don't know. I don't really feel like tucking in all the way. I'll just go like that. So you can tuck it in if you wanted to. The shorts are comfy. Their pockets are like right in the front right here though, as opposed to like on this kind of side. But I think it's cute. And then they have real back pockets. The material is really soft. They're not they're not denim. They're just kind of denim colored. But they're cute. I feel like you can do activities in them. Yeah, they're cute. They're basics, you know, you're basic, but you need basics. So, okay, let's try on other stuff. She said for a bright look, pair these together. So I did. I don't think I would ever wear them together, but they look fine together. The shirt's cute. It's really light, flowy. The cinches in at the waist. It has the elastic right here, and it has those fake buttons going all the way down. So I think that's cute. Both of these, however, are very wrinkly. I think just for, you know, obviously from being in the box. But, so like these are super wrinkly. And if I were to keep these and take them on my trip, are they going to be this wrinkly in my packing? You know what I mean? I like the top, but I don't love it. I think maybe because I just kept one kind of similar in my Wantable box. Here's the shorts. Shorts have pockets in the front, pockets in the back. They're very light material as well, so they would be nice. Like in the summer. I think they're a good length. I'm just worried about the wrinkles, the wrinkle factor. They're very, very wrinkled. All right, let's try on the romper. Here's the romper. It's really comfy. I think it's just a little big because of the armholes. Which I know you need to have them, you know, a little bigger to like keep it on, but, or to get it on. But yeah, I think they're just kind of like a little too big armholes. They're just kind of falling off a little bit. But it's really comfy. I love rompers. I can get this sort of size down. See how it's too big. And I could get it in time for my trip. I literally leave in like 6 days. I would maybe exchange it for a large, but I don't think I would get it in time. Anyway, but it is really cute. Alright, the shorts, these shorts are 85% cotton, 13% rayon, and 2% spandex. So that's probably why they're so wrinkly, but they are really light and stretchy. I don't know if I'm going to keep anything. Okay, let's go over prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. A while. Carly Sleepin' Lounge, Puma Cotton, blah, 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 light blue, size XL, $48 for the romper. Marine Layer, Lexi Red Button Top in black, size large, $54. Market and Spruce, Jolene, Mid-Rise Pull-On Short in Burnt Orange, XL, $36 for those shorts. I do like them, but I'm just worried about how wrinkly they are. 151 Veda Cuffed Patch, Pocket Short in blue, size 14, $34. That's really good for those shorts. I did like those shorts. I thought they looked really cute. They might be a keeper. Okay. And the Lush Lunella Flutter Sleeve Top in olive, size large, $40. Because here's the thing. I don't have tons of shorts right now. I started going through my shorts. And since I lost weight, all my denim shorts are like too big. So I'll have to think about this. These shorts were 98% cotton and 2% spandex. So they'll be really breathable. So the subtotal is $212. If I keep everything and get 25% off, everything had potential. It could have been a 5 for 5, honestly. There's just little factors in each thing. So after 25% off, it makes the whole box $159. So that's a good box. That's a good price box for Stitch Fix. What do you guys think? How's it going? I'm fine. I'm just really nervous about flying and stuff, you know, anxiety, just girly things. But I will be going on my trip in a week. So I'm excited, nervous, scared, happy, all that stuff, all that jazz. But yeah, I don't know what I'm going to keep from this box. I'm really indecisive. I have to pack. I'm really indecisive. I don't know what to take. I'm probably taking too many things on the trip. It's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the stores now, return some things, buy some things, buy some more things, and then come home and start packing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. And maybe I'll have a tan. It might be great. Who knows? I'll see you next time.